Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be about a hair growth oil video. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to mix all these 6 great oils for massive, beautiful, healthy hair growth. As you can see, my son's hair, how much it grows in very short period of time. Here is before and now. His hair and my hair grows so much since I started using this oil mix method. So I just want to share with you guys. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel. If you are subscribed already, thank you so much for coming back. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. So in this video, I'm gonna be walking you guys step by step how to mix and showing you guys what you need to mix this oil. So if you want to see how I mix my oil to get beautiful, big, long, natural hair, then please stay tuned for the video. Okay guys, these are the oils that you're gonna need to make your hair growth oil. So I'm gonna go through all the oils and their benefit for hair growth. I'm gonna go ahead and start with coconut oil. So coconut oil moisturizing your hair and reducing breakage, protecting your hair from protein loss and from environmental damage like sun and smoke. And I'm just gonna add 1 tablespoon here from each oils. The second one is castor oil. Castor oil helps lubricate the hair shift, increasing flexibility and decreasing the chance of breakage. So the third one is almond oil. Almond oil make your hair stronger and less prone to splitting, which means your hair growth won't be slowed by losing hair that become damaged. It contains a high amount of vitamin E, which is a natural antioxidant. Okay, the fourth one is rosemary oil. Rosemary oil is beyond stimulating hair growth, have anti-inflammatory property, promote nerve growth, improve circulation, prevent premature graying and dandruff. It also helps for dry or itchy scalp. So the fifth one is argan oil. Argan oil is high of antioxidant, fat acids, and vitamin E. Help increase the hair moisture content and elasticity, combat frizz, and also protect the strands from damage that cause split ends and breakage. The sixth one is olive oil. Olive oil have a major moisturizing. It adds softness and strength hair by penetrating the hair shift and preserving moisture, smoothing the outer cuticle of the hair. And I'm just gonna mix them all together. So now this is what we have. So next I'm gonna take this bottle and transfer the oil to the bottle. So when these all 6 oils come together, they will give you the best result in your hair growth journey. So this is what our oil look like. Okay guys, so that is how I mix my oil. Now I'm gonna show you how I use it on my son's hair and on my hair. and I hope you guys were able to learn something from it. And if you did, and if you like this video, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Also, if you would like to see more video like this, comment down below. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you will never miss another video from me again. Thank you guys so much for the love and support you are giving me, and I will see you in my next video.